Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull all this apart. I need to get the floor cut out. I'll take some measurements on here and get the floor cut. It's a real heavy piece of aluminum diamond plate that had been used once before. So it's got some screw holes along the front that I'm going to cut off, cut the length, and then I can get the tail end of it all a fresh cut. So I'll have a good clean cut here on the end. And need to get that done and pre-fit. I was looking at these bed runners, and they're slightly different than the actual fleet size bed that was on here. The depth of these pieces, there's two shallow ones that sit on top of the hump, and then these deeper ones. Well, these deeper ones aren't, I haven't measured exact, but they're at least a ½ inch different in length. So I might have to shim those up where I don't believe there was much of a shim underneath them before. So I'll have to shim that up just to get the bed level, the bed floor and the bed level on the back of the frame. But anyhow, I'm going to just tear after this. And then on the bed, or the tailgate here, I took these latch pieces out, the strikers that were on here, and left a hole here. And then I put new mounts for the straps that I'm going to, the limit straps, that'll anchor here and hold that, support that tailgate when it's open. I can see that on the outside here, on this outside edge. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Those areas that I was talking about, that was welded here, you can kind of see where I was grinding a little bit. And then it wrapped around through there and then came out here. And taking that out, made the edge of the tailgate here, edge of the end of the bed where the tailgate fits, look a lot cleaner. But it just left a little bit more work here. And then this striker, where are you? Or that hanger mount for the strap sticking down. In here it looks really good. But out here, it doesn't look that great. But anyhow, I'm going to make a filler. I got some strap pieces cut out here that I can bend and put over this. Basically cover that. And also cap the outside edge of the bed here, or the, what is this, tailgate? I'll cap the end of these tailgate off as well. And I'll just have to drill a new hole in that for the striker to fit through. And other than that, that'll clean everything up really nice. This will be ready. That's really all that needs to be done to this tailgate, is just clean these edges up. I thought about just leaving it, but I just don't like the hole here. It's real obvious, and the spot that's got the that I cut out here for that piece. So that's my project for today, for this weekend, I guess. Just kind of playing that by ear, just because of winter. Anyhow, got little things going on, and a few other, I'll get bored working on this, and I'll jump around on some of the other little projects I need to finish up. So I made these little pieces to fit down in here. It's gonna fit down in there flush. I just need to drill a couple, probably won't drill a hole there because I can tack that into place there, but I'll drill me a couple little holes here just to kind of tack that in. Same here. Just a couple little holes in here just to spot weld this on. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I started putting this one together. Got it kind of spot welded on. Just need to trim this area off, and then the back side, show you. And the back side there, trim all that off and get this all trimmed up and welded in. Anyhow, that's where I'm at there. Just need to take a little break and get back after it. Get some food in my belly. Okay, so I got that end capped off, plated on the inside, I didn't do anything around the hinge area, and I drilled a little hole, just kind of a pilot hole there. I need to oversize that to match the pin that goes in there. Did get the front bumper put on, kind of getting the front end all finished up. Well, I got everything done that I set out to do this weekend. We'll get back after it again next weekend, try to get more stuff done with this box, try to get it all wrapped up. Anyhow, thanks for watching, thanks for following along, thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't, please do. Hey! We'll catch up with you later.
Hey, bye. Hey.